So
Here we
yeah.
go.
Well, I already started it, so we're gonna do another lock afterwards. So you see, it's already on the same level. So what I do, it's finding the pins for this key. So here I read it 6, maybe another 5, 1, 3, 3, something like this. But let's see. Let's see if this one gonna work. You see, it's coming out, right? You see the difference? You see, this one is out, so it's not number 3. So take it out, and I put, it was too low, too high, so I put number 1. Number 1, you see, the difference is too low. Can you see? Yeah, it's too low. So take it out, and then it's number 2. It's 100% number 2 because there's between